Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Samurai Teacher. My name is Shihab. Today I want to show you something really useful I made that helps you watch what's happening on your computer in real time. Look at this. It shows you everything important, how hard your CPU is working, how much memory you are using, and how full your hard drive is. The best part, it updates automatically every couple seconds. So you always know what's going on. Before we get into the code, please watch the whole video first. There are some important details you'll need to know to make this work properly on your computer. We'll start simple with basic commands, then build this complete monitoring tool together. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Ready to learn how to build this? Let's jump in. Now, before we dive into the script, let's first go over some essential commands that help us retrieve system performance metrics manually. Now, this command, checking the CPU usage, I'm going to run. As you can see, it's a very boring way to see this. So this command retrieves the total CPU usage of our system. Now, next command, we're going to run manually. And you can see checking the memory usage. This command fetches details about your total and available memory. For me, it's so boring way to see this. Now, let's go ahead and check the disk usage. Copy my code here and I'm going to run. You can see in here. So this lists the top, actually this provides the information about the storage usage on our C drive. Now the next command we're going to run manually, finding the top CPU consuming process. You can see in here, this lists the top 5 processing consuming the more CPU usage. Now, running these commands is manually is fine, but what if we want to see this data constantly updating in a dashboard? That's where the script comes in. Now let's go step by step what we have in this code. Now the first one, we can see this is like a welcome to the system monitoring script. This tool creates a live dashboard showing the CPU, memory and disk usage in real time. So this is like a welcome message. The next section you can see in here. So this is the functions, sets up a console display with a clean background and white text. Now you can change these colors according to your needs. I put black and white, so if you want, you can change colors. You can see on my top right corner, black and white, very nice looking interface. Now in this section, it's a helper functions that let us write color text in a console, makes the dashboard looks professional. Look at my dashboard, it looks professional, right? Now next section, the functions. So this one is create visual progress bars that change color based on usage level. Green is normal, yellow is warning, red means high usage. Now if you check, I'm running on the top of the cone, you can see it's getting red if the CPU usage is go high, if memory goes high, getting red, and other time it's green, yellow. So this is like a demonstration purposes. I'm running on a server so you can get some idea. Probably from your workstation, it will get in slowly like red or white or green like that. So that means you have issues, or probably you can check what are the process is running on. Next section in here, so this is a core function that collects system metrics, CPU usage, memory and disk space. Use PowerShell commands to get the real-time data. The next section you can see in here, it's a returns all collected metrics in the clean organized format. Numbers are rounded to two decimal places for readability. So you can see in this section, that's how we made it. And after that, the functions show live dashboard. So this is the main dashboard functions, update every 2 seconds with fresh data in infinity loop. You can see on my dashboard running, it's every 2 seconds is infinity loop refresh. So I am getting a live data my dashboard. The last one is a create a professional looking border with our dashboard using special characters. You can change to anything you want. This is my dashboard, so I'm going to give you freedom to change whatever you want to have your own unique way. This is CPU section, display CPU usage with the color code progress bar. You can see in here. Next, we can see the process list. This section show the CPU consuming process with their memory usage, helps you identify resources heavy applications. That's all. So you have your own real-time system monitoring dashboard. You can download the script. I will put in the description below. So remember to run a PowerShell as an administrator for accurate readings. If this helped you, hit like that, subscribe for more PowerShell tutorials. Drop a comment if you have a question or suggestion for future videos. Thanks for watching. This is Samurai Teacher signing off.